The information in this video is new. Not all healthcare providers know about it yet, so please feel free to share this information with your child's healthcare provider too. Reduce the pain of vaccination in kids and teens. A guide for parents.
It hurts. I don't like it.
The question we get every single day, 6-7 times a day, is, am I getting a needle today?
They start to dread coming to the doctor, and every time they have a doctor's appointment, they're like, are we getting a needle? And they're just so anxious about it.
Vaccinations are a routine part of a child's medical care and keep children healthy.
You
You can do it.
But whether vaccinated in the doctor's office, vaccination clinic, or at school, some kids leave with the memory of pain. And this can make them afraid of doctors and needles the next time.
The statistics would suggest, that about 10% of people avoid immunizations because of fear of needles.
When I was a kid, it was pretty hard for me. I was just terrified.
These negative experiences can lead some parents to delay or not vaccinate children.
Take a deep breath.
And if children carry these fears into adulthood, they avoid getting routine vaccinations or other medical procedures themselves. A child's vaccination pain can be upsetting to parents too. Parents don't speak up about their child's pain because they don't know what they can do about it.
If we can provide strategies for the family health team to use to reduce the distress that the parents and the children experience, then that is really beneficial to everybody.
In this video, we'll show parents and kids ways they can reduce pain during vaccinations, and this will make them less afraid the next time. They fit into 3 groups: what you can give, topical anesthetics, what you can do, child positioning and activity, and how you can act, state of mind and distraction. Most of these cost little or no money and are easy to do, and combining the different methods together will lead to better results. Look at this child's response to the needle. You'll notice that there are minimal signs of distress, pain, and fear. Observe the child's body movements, facial actions, and sounds.
Look at the bubbles. They're stuck together, sweetie.
So let's get started showing you how you can use these methods to reduce pain in your child during your next vaccination. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.